Alright guys, welcome back to Georgia Bass Bustin'. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade peg. Alright, step one. Tie a knot to the hook. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. There you go. Tie a knot to the hook. Alright, step two. Stick this end of the hook, the eye of the hook, through your soft plastic tip that you bit off. Make sure you keep the line next to it here. Just thread it through until it pops off. Now it's on there. Step three. Now that that's on there, you want to take that off. And if you're going to use the same hook, then just take the knot out. And what did I do with that hook? Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, the weight, that's what I'm looking for. What step am I on? 3, 4? Anyways, this is how you do it. So you're gonna, there we go. That's right. So you stick the line through the bullet weight. Get your hook. Today I'm gonna be wacky worming it. And I'm fishing in 20 feet of water, so that's why I put a weight on it. Never done it before. But then the last step, you tie your knot onto the hook. And there you have it. You have your peg. See? Not even sliding. Now if I go down, Butamus. Alright, that's it.